Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can download high quality videos from TikTok without watermark. So let's start our video. First, open TikTok application. Then you need to choose the video that you want to download. In this case, I will download this video. Tap on the arrow here and then this menu will pop up. From here, you need to choose the option copy link. So once you copied the link, you need to get out of TikTok. You need to open any web browser. In this case, I'm using Chrome, and you need to go and open this website, which is snaptik.app. Once you open the website, you will see an interface like this. Here you need to paste that link that you just copied from TikTok, and here you need to tap on download. So once you tap on download, here you will find the video and you will find some options here. First option is to just download the video. The second one is download HD. So you need to watch a small advertisement. So once you tap on that one, the advertisement will run. It takes a few seconds, and as you can see, the downloading started. The file is already downloaded and it will be in HD quality. So guys, this is how you can download HD quality videos from TikTok without watermark. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.